In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom data validation in Excel for customer ID. We'll be working in Microsoft Excel, and the goal is to make sure people enter customer IDs in the correct format. This is especially useful when you want to keep your spreadsheet clean, consistent, and free from typing mistakes. In this example, the valid format is cust followed by a hyphen, and then 4 numbers, like cust 1001. To understand what should and should not be accepted, here are a few examples. Entries like cust 1001, cust 1002, and cust 2050 are valid. But entries like cust 1001 without the hyphen, just 1001 by itself, or cust ABCD with letters instead of numbers should be rejected. That's exactly what data validation helps you control. The first method is the recommended one, because it checks whether the entry follows the required pattern. Start by selecting the cells where users will type customer IDs, for example, A2 through A100. Then go to the Data tab and click Data Validation. In the Allow drop-down, choose Custom. Now enter this formula, equals and, open parenthesis, left of A2, 5 equals cust, lien of A2 equals 9, is number, open parenthesis, double minus right of A2, 4, close parenthesis, then close the AND function. This formula checks 3 things at once: that the text starts with cust, that the total length is exactly 9 characters, and that the last 4 characters are numbers. Next, click the Error Alert tab. Here you can create a message that appears when someone enters an invalid value. For example, the title can be Invalid Customer ID, and the message can say, enter a customer ID in the format cust 1001. Then click OK. Once that's done, Excel will allow properly formatted IDs and reject anything that doesn't match. There's also a second method you can use if users should only choose from an approved list of customer IDs. For example, you might have a list such as cust 1001, cust 1002, cust 1003, and cust 1004. Store those valid IDs in a separate range, such as E2 through E5. Then select the input cells, like A2 through A100. Go to Data, then Data Validation, and under Allow choose List. In the source box, enter equals $E$2:$E$5, then click OK. With this method, users can only select valid customer IDs from a drop-down list. If your list is going to grow over time, a helpful tip is to convert it into an Excel table or use a dynamic named range so the validation list can update automatically.